Hi, this is Carrie Delano, VP of Business Development with Trauma Services. We are going to be talking about disinfecting and sanitizing your shoes after leaving a contaminated crime scene. The first step you want to take to decontaminate your shoes correctly is to disinfect them with a hospital grade or a high-risk disinfectant. The reason why we use high-risk disinfectants is because it kills more bacteria and disease than some of the other stuff that you could buy at the normal store. Norovirus, H1N1, HIV, all the HEPs, staph, which is what MRSA is, will be on the label. The next step you want to take is to submerge the soles of your shoes into a liquid enzyme cleaner. The reason why we use a liquid enzyme is because it breaks down the proteins in all blood and bodily fluid. I suggest pouring a couple inches of it into a cheap paint container, Home Depot or Lowe's. Let the bottoms of your shoes sit in it for 2 or 3 minutes. Throw a set of gloves on, scrub them a little bit if you really have blood trapped in the tread of your shoe, then rinse them off with water. Your shoes are like brand new. So remember, disinfect first and then clean with a liquid enzyme cleaner. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, Trauma Services is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders from throughout New England. If you have any questions about our services, training program, or PPE program, or any of the information that you saw today, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at www.traumaservices.com. Have a great day.